finance bill eri parliament igomogo tax ukeregento mpaka lipstick eri abangina tokweyaka togo tax gumbake weave etuke eri tokobeka twameka tax go waka na chibase cha insurance bado there is a commission, there is a tax that you are supposed to pay. Inchebuna mama county na atebirega iga neba ninchebeka ngochuwaka no. At least tige kura ya Neoro Kinga, I'm representing mwananchi aso wakuwe kure yo. Naende kaba no minto na yatato minto buye county. Eka robe seta yo ondeta yo togo tebi. Vesa teyo circulation of money teyo. Karabante bagatengire ga igoteli batenga weta go sebarwe sadaka nonye nabantu bekanisa bagote babese iteyo bono asa abantu bali maybe bagete ko kolegasi osasa abantu bali pending bills chabo shiro through the MCS morale muna mora konye at least to circulation of money in Kisii County nali abantu baito bakonyora chiwe somo gaka gakwira na nyomba oira na nebese. Thank you very much. Have the best Madaraka Day and God bless you. Makofi.